My iPad screen is not responding. In today's video, I will show you how to solve this problem. First, press the volume up button once, then press the volume down button once. And then press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Release the power button. When the Apple logo appears on the screen, now wait for the iPad to turn on. Now, the iPad screen is working smoothly.